pound USD. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. If you refer back to my last video when the price was exactly here, I mentioned that we are interested in the sell even I put this correction, and I said whether we can get one more sell. Alright, that's why I was in my last video I was keep highlighting for sell, and this is the sell we get by today. And the sell setup was based on the lower time frame, 15 minutes. Since we were trading the 1 hour chart, this is where we should sell. Alright, and there was one more opportunity, but this is what we were looking for. Okay, now we want to see whether we can get one more opportunity or not if we move to 1 hour chart again. Alright, first of all, for those traders that are in the trade, they at least they should move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. Maybe they can move their stop loss to somewhere around here. Okay, then now we want to see how deep this one can go, whether we can get one more sell or not. Alright, in this case, as we can see, the price is correcting here. If this correction is within this small range, maybe a few more hours, still we can look for sell. Okay, and if we get any sell, that means the price drop. As long as the price reach to this level, we move our stop loss to break even for this, and for the first one we move the stop loss to somewhere around here. On top of this, we see how deep this one can correct, then we just let it to continue. Alright, and when it reached to this level, we check whether we need to look for the continuation or the reversal. Okay, just now we say if we since we have this correction, we can look for sell. But now the question, I want to add one more things. How about is there possibility we get the deeper correction? This means we get 1 2 3 as a one correction in relative to this for one move down. Yes, that means in this case, if this happened, we don't get the sell from this small correction. We need to wait for the deeper correction, and if deeper correction happen, can give us a better sell. Okay, just now we want to see if we want to trade this one. Maybe we can put the entry below this in case sharp move down, we can take the trade. But if drop we see is not moving and reverse, we take out the trade. But if we see this one correct some more, become a deeper correction, then having entry is not a good idea. We need to find the sell setup from there. Okay, this is what we can see right now. Then if we move to daily chart, as we can see, the based on my last video, the daily chart also we see the way is correcting. And now the question, I mean, we are expecting the the price to drop. Now the question, how deep this one can go, whether this level or lower or continuation, we are not sure. In that case, if we move to 4 hour chart, as I mentioned right now, as long as the price if drop and continue came to this level, then from there we need to make a decision based on the information we have, whether we can get the continuation or the reversal. And if I move to 1 hour chart again, do we need to look for buy? Right now we don't have anything. After we get the sell, after just we wait, we see how this chart can form, whether the price can drop again. Then from there, whether if drop, then from there we can make a decision whether the price where it can reverse. Okay, right now we don't have anything, and in this case we just follow the chart and how we see how we can trade it. Thanks.